Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Bombay and Cedar Beauty Box. Let's get into it and check it out. I love this last month. This is sent to me free for review from Bombay and Cedar, but you will always get my honest review. Last month was the first one of these that I had and it was spectacular. I absolutely loved it, so I can't wait to get in and see what is in this month. It is a monthly beauty box that is $34.95. It will have 5 to 6 items and a value of more than $120. I will put the link and my code below, Kathrin10, which will get you 10% off your first box. And just like all beauty boxes, just know it in all beauty box, probably all of subscription box world, if you buy by the month, it's a price, and then if you go 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, every time you do, it goes down. I think this one goes down $1. So at 3 months, it goes down $1 a month. At 6 months, it goes down another $1 a month, that kind of thing. That is what it looks like on the inside. That was just our paperwork that came out. Ooh, big stuff. I have to put my glasses on and check it out. Paperwork that says the beauty box, and they sent me the February beauty box. I think what they do with some of the creators is they send us the boxes that are left, which is fair enough because usually with a lot of boxes, we don't get to show you what you could actually get in that month anyway. So if it can't be that month, this is perfect. So this is not the box you will get if you order now. This is the February box and it will show us what we received. This is generally a mix of like indie and well-known brands. You have to order by the 10th of the month to get the current box. After that, you get the next month. This looks like to me, I want to say it's the Nyakio, but below it, they've pronounced it Nikeo. They've spelled it out for us. So this is a Nikeo cleansing balm and it is sweet almond. Well, that sounds fantastic. I can completely wear everything in here, so we will unseal it. It is formulated without sulfates, phthalates, parabens, mineral oil, petroleum, or formaldehyde. Oh, as I open it, look, it's like unfolding. It will become a completely flat box. That is so cool. The inside is giving us a lot of information. This is what our bottle looks like. And it is 3.7 fluid ounces, manufactured in the USA using globally sourced ingredients. I'm hoping, I love this. I'm loving everything about the way it sounds. This says it is a sumptuously rich, transformative balmed oil cleanser. It gently melts away makeup, dirt, and impurities, leaving behind a radiantly clean skin. I thought I said radically clean. I was like, ooh, I wonder what radically clean is. It has a $25 value. Well, let's check it out. I love the look. Don't you love the look of new balms? They're just like completely flat. I can't smell it like that. We'll have to put oh, it is. I mean, you know when you dig into one of these, it's going to be firm. This is amazingly. I mean, this is firm. That is what it looks like once I dig into it. And actually, that's what it made that look like. But I have never had to press that hard to break through before. When I put it on my hand, it just immediately, I mean immediately turns to oil. My hand is probably gonna absorb this. With the girls here, I spend a lot of time cooking and I wash my hands so much they are in rough alligator shape. A little bit of the almond, very clean, almost no scent to it. It's really very nice. I will be using this when I go downstairs to take this makeup off. This feels fantastic. I love that it doesn't have a lot of scent because when I use balms, it's on days like today when I have a lot of makeup on and I use it as my first cleanse. And you figure you've got your first cleanse, your second cleanse, your moisturizer. I love adding something to the mix that just doesn't have a lot of fragrance. That is what that looks like. All right, first out, thumbs up. Again, I love the paperwork too. The sweet almond oil is from Spain. It says Nikeo's formula proudly incorporates fair trade shea butter with carefully selected globally sourced ingredients inspired by secrets passed in family traditions. This is all very interesting. I like this a lot. Next out of the box, we have natural mint and eucalyptus facial oil, essential oils. That is what that looks like. Natural facial oil by Professor Herb. It's from Professor Herb. Suitable for all skin types. Keep your skin looking young and radiant with this natural facial oil. This light, non-greasy formula is enriched with almond and olive oils to help nourish and protect your skin. Apply a few drops to your face and neck every morning and evening for healthy, beautiful skin. It has a $27 value. Okay, and that is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell through there, but it looks here. Let me take it off. It looks kind of cloudy. That's interesting. Oh, I can't get it open. Oh, we might not get to see this one. I might not be strong enough. I think my husband's in a meeting. I would take it to him. So you guys are gonna have to just trust me. Trust, faith. That's what we have. It's just kind of cloudy in there. And it's just gonna be an essential oil, and it's eucalyptus and mint, and it's made in England. Okay, next out we have a Cooling Therapy Knee-High Socks, Tea Tree Mint Complex, and Cica Extract. Ooh, intensive cooling leg mask. That sounds interesting. I've never seen a leg mask. I have never seen a leg mask. So like if you were on a flight or post-flight or, oh, Disney World, on a really hot post-Disney World day. Let's read about this. Let's see what they think we're doing with it. Cooling knee-high socks from Vesh. These therapy knee-high socks deliver cooling, tingling, invigorating relief to your tired legs and feet while moisturizing. And it has a $15 value. Yeah. I am 100% setting this aside. I was going to say for Disney World, but you know what? I might try it between now and then, because what if, oh my gosh, can you imagine if you put this on your feet and you had a reaction and then you had to walk Disney World? Oh, I'll be trying this summer when it's super hot. We'll talk about it then. This was a variation. You could have received this or a charcoal body scrub from Man and Kadar. Oh, let me tell you, that charcoal body scrub from Man and Kadar, this scent is like champagne. It is, I've tried it. I've used it to gone. I think my daughter got it and loved it too. That was fantastic. Also very nice. Either way, good choice. Okay, next out I have, what do I have? An Evio Beauty Velvet Color Stick, and I have it in Be Kind. That's nice. And that is what it looks like when we get it out. It's just a little stick. Oh, upside down. Murphy's Law. Oh, it's a pretty color, a little autumnal, just for my skin. I'm not saying it's autumnal. I'm saying for my skin choices, that's kind of an autumnal look. This is the Color Stick by Evio Beauty Cream Moisture Stick color for eyes, cheeks, lips, or anywhere you want. $23 value. You could have received this, or you could have received a lip whip from True Moringa or a lip kit from Lucy and Pompetta. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, that's a little rusty warm for my skin, even in the, wow, that really shows off how bad a shape my hands are in. Don't look too close. Even in the fall, I think that's a little not perfect for me. Luckily, my daughter and I have completely different complexions, so I can pass this along to her. I always think she's not much darker than me. She just has a more olive tone. And then when I got, a couple years ago probably, I got us each foundations in a color for me and a color for her, and I put them on the back of my hand. I wish I could tell you what video that was, because it's been a couple years. I put them side by side on the back of my hand, and hers looked kind of like this and mine was so light, and I thought, I called her and I said, babe, this is never going to work for you. It's going to be so dark for your skin. And she swatched it on her hand and showed it to me, and it was perfect. So I don't know why side by side we don't look, but anyway, that was a long way to say she's olive toned, and I bet this looks great on her. Okay, had to get that off before I ended up coated in orange. This is the last thing laying nicely across the bottom of the box, and it is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. I might have this. This says that you could have received this, which is the ABH Dream Glow Kit, a collection of full spectrum highlighters with iridescent and metallic finishes, $40 value. You could have received an ABH Aurora Glow Kit. Oh, I don't know which one I have. A collection of 6 metallic powder highlighters for intense luminosity. That might be the one I have. Or you could have received a Pixie Glow Cake by Pixie Beauty. This light diffusing palette helps to achieve naturally healthy, radiant complexion. Honestly, I would have been happy to receive that too. I personally love the Pixie products, especially their powder products. Oh, I don't know if this is what I have or not. I think this might be what I have, so I am not going to swatch this, but these are fantastic. Can you, I mean, come on. That is gorgeous. You could use those if you didn't need them as highlighters or like that color as highlighter. You could use those as eyeshadows. They would be so gorgeous. I'm gonna leave the cover on this because I think that this might be a rerun. So I want to be able to give it away. But it's Wish, Unicorn Magic, Ethereal, Sunshine, and Regal. I'm so glad I read Ethereal right. Oh my gosh, I did a couple of videos, and you know, when you're sitting up here and I'm just talking to you guys and reading words, it doesn't always process in your brain correctly. And I kept saying ethereal. Anyway, these are gorgeous. I'm telling you, this is the second beauty box that I have received from them, and I like it a lot. It is so good. So my box had a $130 value, and it was the February Bombay and Cedar box, and I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow palette, the, how did I forget already, Nikeo Cleansing Balm to Oil, the Professor, who was it? I forget. It doesn't say on the front of this. Professor Herb. That's what it was. Eucalyptus Mint Oil, the EVO All Over Cream Stick, and the Cooling Therapy Knee-High Socks. This is a $34.95 box. If you pay month over month, I will put their link and my code below. It will get you 10% off your first subscription. It's just Kathrin10. And thank you so much for coming by. I hope you guys love seeing this as much as I love doing it. This box, like I said, 2 months now, and I have really enjoyed it both months. Let me know what you guys think below. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon, I hope. Bye, guys.